Gather around, everyone. It's time for a story. It's December 2021, and this is our 57th episode of H2Minutes. Our H2Minute episodes are our featured or bigger videos and don't include many of the smaller videos, like research updates, Q&As, interviews, vlogs, and more. We have been making videos for 6.5 years and really haven't shared our story. By story, I mean how we got into this and why we make these videos. Everything we do comes from a lesson we have learned somewhere down the line. And we want to share that with you on this episode of H2Minutes. I'm excited to tell you the story of H2Minutes. But before I do that, I have to give a quick shout out to our advanced patrons. These people are very much a part of our story as well. We have always wanted to teach people about hydrogen, but truthfully, it has been hard financially to sustain that dream. These companies have helped to make that possible with their continued support of our channel. We'll get more into why we believe education is important for the therapeutic hydrogen industry later. But until then, we want to say to everyone who supports us, including our faithful viewers, thank you. Now, you may hear me say we or are a lot in my videos. And that is because H2Minutes is not just me, it's my team. And by team, I mean my wife and me. And because this video is about H2Minutes Story, it's not just my story to tell. My wife, Kayla, is going to help me tell this story to you. Kayla, tell us how it all got started.
Okay, I got you. In 2014, Tawan and I started in the hydrogen industry like many people do, by being introduced to alkaline ionized water and the business associated with it. We actually heard about it from a family member of mine who was making lots of money selling ionizers. We were skeptical, to say the least, and I had my guard up big time. We started to drink the water, saw all the demos, and listened to anyone and everyone who was talking about it. And really what did it for us was the crazy testimonies people had about this water.
Yeah, I started seeing some benefits from the water related to sports training. And I thought that if this water does what they say it does, we can help a lot of people. So we dove in head first. We created our own unique presentation and started doing demonstrations. We started talking to everyone about it and sharing water with people and really put our all into it. Now, looking back, we were probably very annoying. We wanted to be as accurate as possible, but the scientific information about this topic wasn't easily accessible back then, and especially hard to find if you didn't know what you were looking for. A couple of really good friends of mine expressed some concerns about some of the claims that were being made about the water. This triggered me to search for more answers than what was told to me or confirmed by so-called experts. I searched and searched in many Facebook groups at that time, trying to find someone who could point me in the right direction to these answers. I was not satisfied with saying what everyone else was saying if it was not true. We learned quickly that it was the hydrogen gas in the water that was providing the potential benefits. But we had so much more to learn. The Molecular Hydrogen Institute website was shared with me to help with my questions. But it was shared with me as a last resort just for those who care about the science, but not readily shared with everyone. Thankfully, the Lord brought a few like-minded people into our life that had just as much desire for the truth as we did. I was able to learn from and be mentored by people in the hydrogen world that were at the forefront of the science and the information. I learned about more than just hydrogen. I learned how to think critically, how to research properly, and disseminate the information accurately.
One by one, everything we were told about this water was debunked with evidence and explanation. Many things that we have already talked about on this channel. Microclustering, ORP, Otto Warburg, the alkaline story, the other waters, all of it. We started adapting everything we said to be about accurate information and hydrogen solely. We were so excited to know that everything we had just invested all this time and money into wasn't a waste of time. It really did make water with the potential of super crazy health benefits that could really help a lot of people. Then we learned about H2 Blue, something that would allow us to test for the dissolved hydrogen gas from the machine we had, so that people could see that there was really hydrogen in the water. When we finally got our hands on some H2 Blue and tested our machine, none of the drops cleared. None. We were devastated.
Devastated. because this meant that there was no detectable levels of dissolved hydrogen gas in our water. Then we learned about the reality of the scaling problem. We talked about this in depth in these videos. So we cleaned and cleaned our machine and then sent it into the manufacturer for cleaning. Still no detectable levels of hydrogen gas. We sold many machines based on information that wasn't true. We didn't know how imperative it was to tell people about cleaning regularly. That means a very expensive water machine that might not even work as it should.
But we thought it was the very best there is, so we have to make it work. We believed in hydrogen and its research, and we wanted to share it with people no matter what. There was something special to it, and we couldn't let it go. Like a hidden diamond that no one knew about. It was somewhere during this time where we had the thought of making easy videos for people to learn about it, because there weren't really any good and accurate videos out there on the subject. The deeper we got into the industry and the subject, the more we learned about all the ways you can make hydrogen water. We were baffled that there were other options and other methods that could dissolve even more hydrogen. More than we'd ever seen.
At that time, we were excited to even clear 5 drops of H2 Blue. Clearing 5 drops is only 0.5 ppm. Then we found out about closed container hydrogen producing tablets, which can measure 2 to 3 ppm. That means it cleared 20 to 30 drops of H2 Blue. Eventually, we started selling another water ionizer device that was promoted as a hydrogen water device. This time with promised anti-scaling technology and higher dissolved H2 levels. The system did provide more dissolved H2, which was exciting. But we realized the reality was the same with any ionizer. Source water matters. The higher the H2, the higher the pH. The higher the pH, the more calcium scaling. And if it's not on the plates, it's in the water, causing scaling issues elsewhere. We cared about this subject so deeply that we were willing to move halfway across the country just to see where it was leading us. We both worked corporately for a hydrogen water company and learned many things about what to do and what not to do in this industry. I gained a tremendous amount of H2 knowledge during this time independently from the company that I worked for. I was exposed to many H2 products and very in-depth technical information regarding the research and hydrogen products. Next, I ventured to start a new hydrogen water company with a group of investors. During this time, we learned that the hydrogen game in the US is a long game. It won't be instant or have overnight results. It was at that time that we started to make short educational hydrogen videos because we believed that was an important missing link in the industry. We believed and still do that the research surrounding hydrogen needs more awareness. And if people really knew the facts or information about it, they would really want to use it or at the very least try it. So began H2Minutes, which started out being 2-minute videos about hydrogen. But our videos are definitely longer than 2 minutes now. That H2 company died as investors directed their focus and money to other people and another company.
But the videos we were making kept going. People loved our videos, and we wanted to make a full-time job out of it. We wanted to be neutral and non-biased. Because we saw that so many people teaching about ionized water or hydrogen were really just promoting their product and bashing other companies. We wanted our videos to be used by anyone promoting or consuming hydrogen, regardless of the company they represented or bought from. But we had to tell the truth, even if it wasn't popular. We figured it would be worth it, as H2 has the potential to help so many people. However, over time, as our channel and credibility grew, people started asking what hydrogen product do we recommend or what do we use personally. We learned very fast that if we were going to educate people about hydrogen, then it was our responsibility to point them to something good.
And we saw the need for someone or a company to verify which H2 products were good and did in fact make therapeutic levels of hydrogen gas, but someone who didn't actually sell the products themselves. Due to my professional experience in the industry, I obtained the skill set to be able to thoroughly verify if an H2 product is safe, well built, and provides therapeutic levels of H2 based on the studies. And then our company, H2 Hub, was born. I was already known as a credible, independent educator for molecular hydrogen in the industry at this point. This opened doors and allowed us to further develop relationships with H2 companies that we already knew. plus to create new relationships with hydrogen companies to test their products and verify to the world which ones are good. So many products we have seen or used claim to produce hydrogen gas, but when you test it, it's either subpar H2 levels or under therapeutic concentrations. Most people don't even know that there are ways to verify or test hydrogen water or hydrogen products. We wanted to make a platform that set an objective standard for companies selling hydrogen products. So they can't just claim anything they want, it has to be verified.
We believe that H2Minutes fills in the educational gap that exists from the years of myths and pseudoscience that has been perpetuated over and over in the water ionizer and hydrogen community. In our videos, we do our very best not to say anything unverifiable or without a reputable source. And we always provide our sources that we get our information from. We want our videos to be trustworthy. We don't just want you to take our word for it. If you don't know what hydrogen is and how it works, then you are susceptible to buying something that won't actually help you, just like we did. We believe that H2 Hub fills in the market gap between what hydrogen is and what products to use to receive it. Once people know the potential benefits of hydrogen and understand what it is, they are left with wanting to try it. But it's hard out there to figure out what is best.
Truth is, there's been some really messed up companies out there representing hydrogen. And there have been many people that spent a lot of money on hydrogen products just to get burnt. Shoot, we've even been burnt many times. We've seen companies with no accountability and no consequences for presenting false information and for not caring for customers well. We just want to do our part for representing hydrogen to the world better, getting the message out there so that people are aware and so they won't lose money. That way they can potentially improve their health in a real way.
So all in all, we want to use our story and what we have been through in this space to help others not have to go through the same things we have.
There's not a lot about the hydrogen industry that we haven't seen or been through.
We want to prevent what happened to us from happening to you.
We don't want people to buy into something that isn't true like we did.
Your health and well-being matter to us because you matter.
And because of that, we built our channel and business around what helps people the most and maintains the integrity of hydrogen. We hope that you have enjoyed our story. It wasn't every detail, but we gave you what we thought mattered most. Every step of the way, we chose the path that we felt was best for others. It seemed like every fork in the road was between making more money, but sacrificing integrity. Or be honest and do right by people and make less money. We have always chosen the second option, which has cost us and obviously has not been easy, which is why it means so much when people decide to support us on Patreon or donate in a significant way. It means a lot to us that you care and want us to continue helping people. Stay tuned because coming up next year, we're going to be having more stories with people who've had real experience with us and hydrogen. If you want to be part of what we're doing and support us in a tangible way, be sure to check out our Patreon and become part of our H2 family. Or if you would like to give a one-time donation, the link is in the description. You can help be sure this story doesn't end for a long time. Thank you for going on this journey with us.
And that was your Storytime dose
of H2 within minutes.